A very good evening to all and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video we can learn longest, largest, highest in India. In this video we can learn common human disease and affected body parts. So let's start. So now first disease is AIDS. Affected body part is immune system of body. Second, arthritis and affected body parts are joints. Now third is asthma. Affected body parts is branchial muscles. Now fourth one is bronchitis. Affected body part is lung. Now disease is carditis and affected body part is heart. Disease is cataract and affected body part is eyes. Now disease is cystitis, affected body part is bladder. Disease colitis and affected body parts is intestine. Now disease is conjunctivity and affected body part is eyes. Disease dermatitis and affected body part is skin. Disease diabetes and affected body part is pancreas and blood. Disease diphtheria and affected body part is throat. Disease eczema and affected body part is skin. Now disease goiter and affected body part is thyroid gland. Now disease is glossitis and affected body part is tongue. Disease glaucoma, affected body part is eyes. Disease hepatitis, affected body part is liver. Okay, now disease is gastritis and affected body part is stomach. Disease is jaundice and affected body part is liver. Disease malaria and affected body part is spleen. Disease paralysis and affected body part is nerve and limb. Disease pneumonia and affected body part is lungs. Disease rhinitis and affected body part is nose. Disease osteomyelitis and affected body part is bones. Now the second topic is vitamin and mineral deficiency. So let's start. Anemia caused due to deficiency of iron. Garabofavinosis caused due to deficiency of vitamin B2. Beriberi caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Goiter caused due to deficiency of iodine. Night blindness caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Osteoporosis caused due to deficiency of mineral calcium. Rickets caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Now, scurvy, deficiency of vitamin C. Thank you guys for watching this video.